Today, today we have discussed what is the difference between partial differential equation and the differential equation. Uh, what is the order? How can find the order and the degree of a partial differential equation? Today we want to discuss the following point. So, differential the differential equation contains the differential coefficient. Differential equation contains the differential coefficient. The differential coefficient of of a of a differential coefficient dependent of a dependent variable with with respect to single independent single independent single independent variable. But but in case of in case of PD, PD means partial differential equation. Here it contains here it contains the differential it contains the differential coefficient it contains the differential coefficient of a dependent variable dependent variable with respect to with respect to two or more two or more independent variable. Okay, differential equation contains the differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to single independent variable. This concept is very important. But in case of partial differential equation, it contains the differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variables. So this is very important questions regarding your entrance point of view. In differential equation contains minimum single independent variable. Here it contains two or more. Two or more in single word, we can write at least two. At least two. Minimum two. At least two independent variables. Let us discuss what is the meaning of independent and dependent variable in case of differential equation and partial differential equations. Suppose, 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 suppose the equation given del dz by dx plus 2z equal to 5. Here, derivative of z exists with respect to x. It means that z is a function of x. That means the value of z depends upon the value of x. Therefore, z is called as dependent variable and x is called as independent variable. So this equation is called ordinary D, OD or simply differential equation. Suppose the equation can be written as dz by dx plus dz by dz by dy equal to 2. Suppose here the partial here the derivative of z exists with respect to x. That means z is a function of x. Here the d here dz by dz by dy. That means here z is also is a function of y. That means z is a function of two variable, that is x and y. So here this equation is called as PD, partial differential equation. Though it is differential operator is used d by dx, it is called partial differential equation because z is the function of two independent variables. Here z is the dependent variable and x and y, z is called dependent variable and x and y are called independent variables. So this equation can be written as in term of partial, that can be written as del by del x plus del z by del y equal to 2. Same thing. So it is meaning of partial under ordinary differential equation. Here, let us uh, let us go for the order and degree of a differential equation. So how can define the order and degree? So order of a differential equation is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. Suppose the equation can be written as del square y by del of x square plus 2 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. So here the here has the order of a differential equation is the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. Here this is second order derivative. Here first order derivative. So first order here 2 is obviously greater than 1. So order of d is 2. Order of differential equation is 2 because this equation contains the second order derivatives. Second order and first order, so second order is obviously greater than first order. So order is 2. Let us go for degree of a partial differential equation. So the power of highest order derivative present in the differential equation after the after the equation is free from radicals and fraction sign. First, we have to discuss this point. What is the meaning of the highest order derivative? After the equation is free from radical and fraction sign. Suppose, suppose, for example, the equation will be written in this way: 1 plus dy by d of x square equal to dqy by d of x cube. This question is given. Find the order and degree. So here order is obvious 3 because the highest order derivative is 3. So order equal to 3. Let us go for how to find the degree. Degree of the equation is conferred after the equation is free from radical fraction. The square root sign is called radical square root, cube root, root. These are called radical. So first we have to remove these radical signs. After that we can find the degree. So first we have to remove it. How can we remove this? 1 plus dy by dx, the square root can be written as 1 by 2 equal to dqy by d of x cube. So our aim is to remove this 1 by 2. So how to remove 1 by 2? Just squaring on both the sides. So automatically this will remove 1 plus dy by dx 1 by 2 rho square, and this can be written as dqy by d of s cube whole square. So this two to cancel. So here the power here 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 the power of highest order derivative. The power of highest order derivative is 2. So degree equal to 2. So in this equation the order is 3 and the degree is 2. Next another parts. The degree of any differential equation can be found when it is in the form of polynomial, otherwise the degree cannot be found, cannot be defined. So how we can explain this line? How we can explain this line? So let us we have to discuss polynomial expression. Suppose suppose the equation can be written as dy by dx equal to tan of x plus y. So here the highest order derivative is 1. So here order equal to 1, degree is also 1 because the differential coefficient is a polynomial expression. Dy by dx polynomial expression. So all of know, suppose p of x is a polynomial expression, can be written as a0 plus a1 x plus a2 x square, like this. It is a polynomial of order 2. So here the differential coefficient is in the polynomial, is a first order polynomial. So next, suppose if you can write the equation is tan of dy by dx equal to x plus y. So in such case the degree, in such case the order is 1, but but degree is not defined. Degree is not defined because here this expression is not a polynomial expression. Okay. So in this way we can find the order and the degree of a equation. Thank you. So next class I have discussed the classification of differential equation, how we can solve the differential equation of different types.